In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use saved sections in Squarespace. If you've ever built a section on your site and thought, I'd love to reuse this later without rebuilding it from scratch, saved sections are exactly what you need. This feature helps you keep your design consistent and saves time, especially if you use the same layout, call to action, or content structure on multiple pages. To begin, go to the section you want to reuse. Once you've selected that section, look for the heart icon. Click the heart icon to save the section. This tells Squarespace you want to keep that exact section available for future use. It's a quick way to preserve a layout you've already designed, including its structure and styling, so you can insert it again later when needed. After saving the section, the next step is to add it somewhere else on your site. Navigate to the area of the page where you want the saved section to appear and click Add Section. This opens the section library and gives you access to different ways to insert content into the page. From there, click on Saved. This is where Squarespace stores the sections you've previously saved. Think of it as your personal collection of reusable website sections. This makes it much easier to stay efficient while building pages, because instead of recreating the same design over and over, you can simply pull it from your saved library. Once you're in the saved area, select the saved section you want to use. As soon as you choose it, Squarespace will insert that section into your page. From there, you can leave it exactly as it is or customize it further depending on the page you're working on. That flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of using saved sections, since you get a strong starting point without losing the ability to tailor the content. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that saved sections are especially useful for repeated elements like testimonials, promotional banners, newsletter sign-up areas, or footer-style callouts. Using them can speed up your workflow and help maintain a polished, uniform look across your website. And that's all there is to it. You select the section and save it with the heart icon, click Add Section, open Saved, and then choose the section you want to insert. It's a simple but powerful Squarespace feature that can make page building much faster and more organized.